Hello everyone, in this video, we are going to explain some introduction about C language. So, I will introduce myself and my partner before we start our presentation. My name is Farah Jasmine binti Muhammad Zabidi and my partner is Fatini Huda binti Zakaria. We are both studying in Information Technology. So, our topic is Introduction to C language. As you can see, this is the list of content that will be explained in the next slides. First of all, we must know the meaning of C language. C language is a structured programming language that is machine independent and extensively used to write various applications. C is a high-level and general-purpose programming language that is ideal for developing portable applications.
Hi, my name is Fatini Huda and I will present about the history of C language. At first, Basic Common Programming Language, which is BCPL, designed and developed by Martin Richards in 1967. And then, New Programming Language, which is B language, developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 for writing system software. By overcoming limitations in BCPL, it was renamed as B language. Later on, to overcoming limitations in B language, it was renamed as C language. For now, C programming language is also called as ANSI, which is American National Standard Institute. So this is the picture of Dennis Ritchie.
In this slide, I will tell about what is the importance of learning C language. There are three importances of C language. The first one is easier to learn other programming language. Many different programming languages are based on or related to C. This language typically shares similar syntax, operators, control statements, data types, and more. The next one is help us understand how a computer works. It means we are able to understand and visualize the inner workings of computer and system like allocation and memory management. Next, C will also allow you to write more complex and comprehensive programs. The last one is the source code that is written using C for one system can be ported easily to other system architectures without differences in program behavior. Next slide. C is used as programming language in several ways, such as for compiler development, develop creative applications, developing the operating system, developing internet browsers, and the last one is develop and build database. So it is very useful for our future if we learn C language.
This is some C basic command that you have to know when you want to write C programming language. Firstly, integer main. It is the main function from where C program execution begins. Secondly, curly bracket. It is indicate the beginning and the end of the main function. Third, print hello world. This command prints the output on the screen.
I will explain 4 features of C language. The first feature is simple, the second one is structured programming language, the third one is speed, and the last one is rich library. First one, we look at simple. C is a simple language that provides a structured approach to break the problem into parts, the rich set of library functions, data types, and so on. It means if we have a big problem to solve, we can divide problem into smaller parts, sort them smaller parts separately, and integrate them to one big problem. For the second features, C is a structured programming language that we can break the program into parts using function. If the program has different 5 capabilities, we can divide the programming into 5 each capabilities, write those 5 capabilities and 5 different functions, and integrate them into one place. So, it is easy to understand and modify. Functions also provide code reusability. If we say that exists function of square root which is written, so we can use that function just by calling that function. The next, rich library. There is a big list of library in C-level program from string.h to conio.h and others. C provides a lot of inbuilt functions that make development fast. So if we have maths.h and we require a function of computing log, so log is already available in C language. And the last feature is speed. It means the compilation and execution times is fast since there are lesser inbuilt functions. That's all for features of C language.
So this is how C programming language works. Firstly, writing source code, and then compiling a source code and then linking object files. C is a compiled language. Compiles program and converts it into the object file which is machine readable. After compilation process, the linker will combine different object files and create a single executable file to run the program. For a conclusion, C is a base language for many programming languages. Learning C language as the main language will play an important role while studying other programming languages. C can be used widely in various applications. There are many jobs available for a C developer in the current market. Highly portable language, which means programs written in C language can run on other machines. That's all from us about C language. Thank you for watching.